How do you detect lies during a criminal interview? Have you ever wondered how investigators figure out if someone is lying during a criminal interview? It's a fascinating process that combines several techniques to spot deception. Let's break it down. Detecting lies involves looking at both what a person says and how they say it. This means paying attention to verbal cues and nonverbal signals. Nonverbal cues are key. Investigators watch for facial expressions, body language, and even the tone of voice. For instance, microexpressions are quick, involuntary facial movements that can reveal hidden emotions like fear or guilt. Changes in voice pitch, pauses in speech, and unusual gestures can also suggest someone might not be telling the truth. However, these signs are not foolproof. Stress or anxiety can cause similar behaviors. Verbal analysis is just as important. Techniques like statement validity analysis and reality monitoring focus on the details of what a suspect says. Truthful accounts are usually coherent and filled with sensory details. In contrast, liars may give vague responses, use more negative emotion words, and show inconsistencies in their stories. One effective interviewing strategy is to ask unexpected questions. This can catch a deceptive suspect off guard, making it harder for them to keep their story straight. By interviewing suspects multiple times and comparing their answers, investigators look for contradictions that might indicate dishonesty. Cognitive load techniques are also used. Lying takes more mental effort than telling the truth. Interviewers may ask suspects to recount events in reverse order or provide detailed descriptions. This added pressure can make it more difficult for someone to maintain a lie. Technology is becoming a part of lie detection too. Some systems use artificial intelligence to analyze speech patterns and nonverbal behaviors, such as voice stress and eye movements. Functional magnetic resonance imaging has been studied to identify brain patterns linked to lying, although its practical application in interviews is still limited. In practice, effective lie detection combines all these methods. Investigators analyze verbal content, observe nonverbal behavior, use strategic questioning, and, when possible, incorporate technology. It's important to remember that no single indicator is definitive. Investigators must consider the overall context and corroborate their findings with other evidence to avoid making incorrect judgments.